I get asked that question a lot, what it's like working with TBG. And the biggest compliment I could provide TBG or any advice I'd give anybody is if I had 100 chances to do it again, I would do it every time. A wonderful company, and I would tell you the highest integrity people, and that makes all the difference. I'm Bill Miller. I'm the CEO of WellSky. WellSky is an interesting software and services firm, primarily software in the healthcare industry, delivering the widest set of technology, analytics, and services in the industry. I think TBG and I ran into each other at really good timing because I was looking to do something transformational. When TBG and I got together, I think it was a match made in heaven. Our particular end market and healthcare in general is probably going to go through a lot of change over value-based care. The difference now, the demographics in our country, the aging of our population puts a whole different dimension of pressure on it. Puts a lot of pressure on a company like WellSky that the technology has a role to play in innovation and efficiency, but in that pressure is an opportunity. And I would say the shared conviction between TBG and myself and my management team has made all the difference. We've had to act with courage. We've had to act quickly. We've had to act with some instinct. And I would say at every instant, TPG has met us there. When WellSky took on the financing from TPG, what it meant to the end markets for those people that were paying attention was this company was about to get serious. I could trust that they were going to innovate. I could trust that their portfolio was going to expand. And so just the name and just their reputation has something we've been able to take advantage of. One of the things we did when the first 90 days is just declare, here's where we're going, and here's our name, and here's what we're rallying behind. And it has been the most transformational thing. I often say, we did the rebrand 50% for the external market, and the other 50% was for the internal team. To get behind a name, get behind a singular vision, and that has made all the difference in the world. And the buy-in that we've got from the team has helped us jump over some pretty big challenges. Going through a recap in the middle of COVID, when a lot of our clients couldn't see patients, when none of them had PPE, going through some real big crises in the financial markets. But those are the kind of things that when you have a cohesive culture and you know where you're going, people's stamina goes through the roof because they believe in what we're doing. And so we find opportunities in those crises and a team that can execute to go after them. So we don't play defense all the time in times of crisis. We've often played offense. It is great to have a sponsor that looks at the world like that because you find too often not many people do.